The Hisense ULED Premium 65U7G is about to change the way you think about your TV. And I'm not just talking about any old TV. I'm talking about a game changer that makes every day look like the 4th of July. You know how sometimes you're binge watching your favorite show or playing the latest game on your current TV, and it's just, okay? The colors are dull, the contrast is lacking, and everything feels kinda meh? That's because most TVs just can't compete with the incredible picture quality that this Hisense ULED Premium 65U7G brings to the table. Let's start with what makes it so special. This TV boasts an impressive 4K ULED resolution, which basically means it shows you more colors and details than any other TV on the market. It's not just like a 4K TV, either. Hisense has developed their own exclusive ULED technology that boosts color, contrast, brightness, and motion blur all at once. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about quantum-wide color gamut? Well, let me tell you, it's like having over 1 billion shades of color at your fingertips. That means every single thing you watch on this TV, from the brightest sunshine to the darkest space battles, is going to look pure, rich, and accurate. And if that wasn't enough, this TV also comes with an ultra-smooth 120Hz native refresh rate, thanks to its ultra-motion feature. What does that mean? It means no more blurred lines or fuzzy edges when it comes to fast-paced action scenes like sports, racing, or superhero movies. Everything stays crystal clear and sharp as a tack. But what really sets this TV apart is its incredible gaming capabilities. With Dolby Vision HDR, you get the most realistic picture quality possible for an immersive cinematic experience at home. It's cinema technology right in your living room. But that's not all. Hisense has also partnered with IMAX Enhanced to bring you even more breathtaking visuals and sound. Think DTS audio technologies, remastered 4K HDR content, and top-notch streaming capabilities. One feature that might seem a bit technical is the full-array local dimming zones. In simple terms, this means that each pixel can be adjusted individually for optimal brightness levels, which makes dark scenes pop with vibrant contrast and bright scenes shine with crisp clarity. It's like having your very own personal movie theater in the comfort of your home. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the investment? Absolutely. Not just because of its mind-blowing picture quality, but also because Hisense has thoughtfully designed this TV for gamers, who will appreciate its 120Hz refresh rate and variable refresh rate support. The peak brightness of up to 1000 nits means HDR content really pops, too. The bottom line is that the Hisense ULED Premium 65U7G isn't just another high-end TV on the market, it's a top-of-the-line entertainment powerhouse that will elevate your entire viewing experience. So what are you waiting for?